Hi students, the second part of today's activity says to finish the costly items worksheet. So let's go through that real quick. Your costly item, you already should know how much it's going to cost you. We went ahead and looked at credit cards, we shopped for credit cards, and you should know basically what the APR is for the credit card that you chose. You're going to go through a loan application today after this activity, and then it's time to figure out how long it's going to take you to pay off that debt. We're going to use this financial calculator, but I want you to know that if you pay just the minimum payment of 2 to 5% of whatever that initial cost is, how long is it going to take you in order to pay that off? So let's go look at that using this website. Here's your $1,000. That's how much I spent on my one item. I know my typical APR is 25%. I ask you to put the 2% minimum balance, the minimum payment. So if I have a calculator opened up, here's a calculator. $1,000 times the 0.02. So my minimum payment's going to be $20 a month. So if I was just going to pay $20 a month, how long would it take me to pay it off? Click calculate. Will never be paid off. Oh, that's not good. Let's move this up to 2.5. Yeah, so let's put 2.5. So that means I'm paying $22.50 instead. Here's how long it's going to take. It's going to take 307 months. So, okay, my math's not good. So if I have 307 months and there's 12 months in a year, that's going to take 25 years to pay off, or 26 years to pay off. The total interest I will have to pay is well over $1,000. You can also create this payoff amortization table, and it will show you each payment that you're going to have to pay off in the next 26 years. And so you can see how much of it is interest and how much is actually principal. So when you pay that $22, only $4 of it's going to principal. The rest of it's going to interest. And because you have to pay 25% interest, it continues to look that way for the entire time. So you can look at this if you'd like, but know that it's going to take you a while to pay off this debt. Again, you can play around with this and do a fixed payment. Well, what if I was just going to pay $100 a month? What does that look like? If I paid $100 a month, it's going to take 1 year to pay, and look, my interest is a lot less. So you can play around with this credit card payoff calculator. I just wanted you to look at that and see how long it actually would take you to pay off that shop.